Yeah, but it's still easy to get up over that. No,
Yeah.
you're not.
Back up.
Back up and then go more towards the dog.
Yeah. All right. Come straighten out. Straighten out. Come this way a little bit. A little bit. Straight. Come on. You're good. Come on. You got lots of room. I had no room.
Yeah, you can still go further, right?
Woo!
Hey, wait. I want to see how much clearance does Michael get? And then make sure of how much clearance Matthew got.
Yeah.
You got 2 feet.
Oh! Whoa!
That was awesome.
That was fantastic. Come on, you're good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got it. We're good. That was sick.
You got some good angle on that.
Oh yeah. There a wet spot and 2 seats in there. That was nice. Nice and clear.